Hi guys, before I start to teach you Peyote Stitch, I want to show you how Peyote Stitch looks like. These are Peyote Stitched bracelets, and they are made with Miyuki Delica beads, what are cylinder in shape, so they really fit next to each other as bricks. Very nice beads. Toho also has a treasure collection of those beads. These are all glass beads, 1.8 millimeters, and thanks to that shape of the beads, they have this wonderful structure, and this really this is how they can just nicely bend. We are going to start with even count peyote stitch, and those three bracelets are made in even count peyote stitch. That means you are starting with an even number of beads, and when I say odd count, that means we are starting with odd count or odd number of beads. Now, by even count peyote stitch, it is not, you are using even count peyote stitch when you don't need to have the same even sides in your bracelets or in your necklaces or rings, etc. So here you really this is even count peyote stitch. The sides are not the same here also, but by odd count peyote stitch, when it's important to have even sides, this is the center, and then you have these even sides, then you are going to use an odd count peyote stitch. This is also odd count peyote stitch because these are the same. The sides are the number of beads. One side from the center is the same on the other side. So I just wanted to show you. You will see, you will soon be able to make this kind of bracelet by yourself. So I just wanted to show you what you are going to be able to make soon. Okay. See you in the next lesson. Prepare yourself, and we are starting. Till then.